students of Strata Control Technology MN 6142 on this 29th lecture on Monday, 22nd February 2021. If my voice is clear, then we will continue with our class today. Let me know at least through one of our beloved students of Strata Control Technology whether my voice is clear or not, because many times we used to face some problems and we try to utilize our whiteboard also. I hope you are able to see this whiteboard. That also let me know so that will be more useful for us. Today is our Strata Control Technology MN 6142. On this lecture number 29 on 22nd February 2021. Let me also know whether you are able to see that otherwise I can change even the orientation.
Visible, sir.
No, take your attendance also. Yes, attendance is being downloaded. Now let me know whether you are able to see what is written on the board. Otherwise I will change the orientation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is clear what is written?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now let me also share the slide, my screen to start our classes today. This is our 29th lecture. Yes. Is my screen visible now? You have
Yes,
to
sir.
respond to me. Then
Yes,
only
sir.
yes, sir, yes. There may be problems we faced and we could sort out few with the kind help and cooperation of our Professor B.D. Sahu, Swain, Barik Babu, all those big team, Tapas, of Automation and Computer Center. So welcome once again to our Strata Control Technology MN 6142 of this online teaching learning process. As planned and decided, we start class with the status of all assignments, your Word, PDF, PPT, etc. and presentation by our beloved students. And of course, it is a part of our online evaluation process also on this 22nd February lecture 29. So let me know how many are ready for presentation of their assignment today. Then we'll continue discussion as we planned. 30 minutes will be for presentation, at least 3-4 students. This is the way how we will continue our process of teaching learning process on the Strata Control Technology based on your assignments chosen on your interesting topic, right? So how many are ready? 1, 2, 3. You tell the names, then I will continue with our whatever Strata Control related issues we are discussing about longwall mining related, and I have seen very good interest among our MTech master students. I could see many assignments were sent to me by email and WhatsApp, whatever. So I would also like to give, since they are not mining students, and we as a National Education Policy 2020, you must be knowing we are preparing a good document and many good suggestions from our scholars, faculty from India, other countries, whatever we have been incorporating in that. And they must have observed it. I used to share all the information with our beloved students to be a part of our online teaching learning process. Now, for 10-15 minutes, let me discuss and continue with our class, and keeping that multidisciplinary, a step ahead, transdisciplinary research and academics and industry oriented work. Since we are discussing about the longwall mining related strata control, design of supports, its evaluation, performance. Now I am giving some more inputs, insight into, since we have civil engineers, even mechanical engineers also, who are watching these classes, not only our NIT Rourkela, from other different institutions, other IITs, other institutions also, like private and government institutions in India and other places. So I would like to give some more inputs to contribute to our multidisciplinary step ahead transdisciplinary research approaches, where what is that mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and how we selected even that equipments and how it is contributing to our strata control, because this is our strata control technology related issues. I would like to collate and try to give some more inputs, insight, so that my students who are all final years and then executive PhD scholars having more than 20-25 years experience that I know, who have been actively interacting with me and sending their assignments, correcting, modifying all those things, and also preparing some good papers on international journal formats, keeping all those people in view. I would like to give you some more inputs into, if you have any doubts, definitely we will discuss for 10, 15, 20 minutes. I will give that, and later we continue with our online evaluation of your whatever was decided before. Other that 3%, then we will keep 0 and go to the next people. This is the way how we continue. Now, continuing with this, now these are whatever longwall equipments we are using, that also depends specifically on those aspects. But other aspects also people should know, especially my multidisciplinary or transdisciplinary, transcendental research, and with a lot of interest they want to contribute to mining, and that is also to the strata control technology. That's why I want to give some more inputs to them, seeing their interest, like our Nikhil, Nitesh, other people, right? So here, these are the equipments which are related to what we are discussing about the strata behavior in the longwall mining panels, even the selection of the supports. That's why I kept the first one in the top, which is more influencing for us. And of course, other issues also we should know little, because you should not say that I am not a mining engineer by BTech. I don't know anything about other systems. We should not say like that. And of course, you can also have that type of online exchange of views. That is the reason why we kept this interesting or learning based assignments through all these presentations also must have been prepared in a total assignment platform in MS Teams, and also Drive, Google Drive, whatever, PPTs, Word, PDF, everybody must have been seeing those things by now. If not, of course, that is the way how they will be evaluated also in near future, as far as their TA, midsem, or maybe a part of NSEM. Now, power supports, number one, these are very, very important issue as far as our strata control is concerned. Since you said you are able to see the board, of course that may not be, I will be sharing it later to the full. Now let me make it screen like this so that it will be easy for you to see simultaneously both. Yes, right. Now this becomes easy utilizing our board as well as these things also for our beloved students. I stopped sharing it, so now you can see as I am trying to explain to you, my beloved students. So this is it. This is a floor of the scene. Now this is your roof, right? And of course, there may be different layers. And now we are going to talk about the total system of this long wall. And this is the face. That means this is your solid coal. This is solid coal. And then now you are going with your support system here. Whatever is there, it is a shield support. It can be 2 leg, 4 leg, whatever it is, and with a very good lemniscate joint and other things. This is on the back side of the support, and this of course will be the GOF. This is your GOF. When this is a system of your long wall, then how this is influencing your strata behavior. Here also you can note down some important points, how this is influencing your, first is a setting pressure and then yielding pressure of your supports. When it is a setting pressure and yielding pressure, how it is decided and how it is influencing your total strata behavior. Just to give you some little idea, now if this immediate roof is very weak, now you can imagine that when I have more setting pressure, that means I am giving lot of resistance to the roof. Then this is not advisable for a good strata control, or to or it is not desired. That's why sometimes it can be even 70% or 60%, even 80% of the setting yielding load may be your setting load. And then when this is weak, then that should be as less as possible. Otherwise, this is damaging at this place. Since your person is here, whatever your person, that means your person is very intelligent man like Buddha, right? He is here, and this man is exposed to this roof, although we are having a canopy, extended canopy, and also another part here which is I am not showing in the figures there also. This is even face sprats are also provided when there is a weaker portions in the seam, so that toward again is the face you are giving like a face sprat in addition to this extended canopy. This is a extended canopy. When it is extended canopy, that means it is something like you may note down 4 polling techniques, 4 polling. Then that also now you can take it as a CEP1, where you came across about this 4 polling and why it is required as a strata control or ground control. You must have read in many places, and here itself let me show you. When you are advancing, right, then depending on this strata pressure from the top, and which already we have seen long back, that it is not the total load up to the surface, but it is limited to our caving height. That's what we kept it as a caving height in whatever based on the bulking factor we are trying to see that. So these are different issues. Bulking factor we are trying to estimate up to what height this is caving, and depending on that caving and the span in this, now it is when it is a fall which is happening in our Indian conditions, as I have told you, around 60 to 70 meters of the span, total span you could see here, and later periodic falls, period PF, I kept it as a periodic fall, and this as MF as a main fall. So based on this, whether it is bridging or there is already some fall, based on that, your front abutment now I am showing, whether I don't know this is visible, right? In my screen it is visible, right? So if it is your phase line and if this is your in situ stress, then we can see here that there is a front abatement loading and later in situ stress, and then here there is a phase and then rear abatement reaching up to the in situ stress, and this can be initially very high when it is bridging, going on bridging, like on this barrier side. This is your barrier side. It is something like a fixed plate or a beam, and later it is a cantilever. That is the way how your rear abutment, front abutment, of course on the sides, which I cannot show here, side abutment. This is the way how it is distributed. And now this performance evaluation design of these supports, whatever we are more interested is your power supports, whatever we are using. This is not only power support, we used to have even primitive stages, even simple power, simple props or friction props, hydraulic props, or even wooden prop. There are so many ways which were used in the beginning of longwall mining when it was introduced long back, maybe 1 century, 2 centuries before, even 1600 at that, 17, 18, like that people used to say. History of mining, when you see, there are different ways. It is something like a wooden pillar with a long pillar is a long wall, very simple to understand in that way. Now let me go back to our slides so that now you can see in more detail, my beloved students, here. Yes, so this power support is very important aspect as far as our strata control is concerned. So you are supposed to know about at least its specifications and other details. And others, of course, for my multidisciplinary are a step ahead of our National Education Policy 2020. We already started doing since 2006 in our NIT Rourkela, for the first time even designing strata control technology based on our Director General of Mine Safety and maybe Chairman Coal India, all those people, with their hands we started this in our NIT Rourkela for the first time and trained hundreds of people in the industries also as far as the strata control is concerned. So that let us take it as a proud privilege and let us go with that spirit, my beloved students, in the National Education Policy 2020, the document which now we are preparing it, already I communicated to you. You can also give your suggestions or some advices or some points of importance which may be useful for our beloved students to learn more, contribute more to our Atmanirbhar Bharat, Skill India, Make India, Startup, Stand Up, whatever you call. Right. So little bit for the benefit of our beloved students from multidisciplinary or the transdisciplinary group like our Nikhil and others, let me also show something more. It may be refreshing for others with it is not a simple like hypothetical case here and there, but it is some place where we used to conduct some investigations in some of the mines for a different purpose, whether it is for pillar design, protecting the surface features, a nala or whatever, water bodies, or as a part of it, we did some investigations in these mines. That's why I'm showing to you, my beloved students. We have a lot of information. And already my beloved students from final year, they know what is AFC, armored flexible conveyors. And this is to take the coal along the face, and then shearer, of course, for cutting the coal, and the bridge stage loader already everybody knows, right, as a part of conveying from the face onto the long belt conveyor instead of cutting the conveyor in between, right? So we should have some arrangement. That's why we have a stage loader that can be taken up as a CEP question too also. It is just for refreshing, my beloved students. Then power pack and communication system for my electrical, civil, mechanical, electronics, computer science, IT, all those including biomedical, humanities, physics, chemistry, mathematics, artificial intelligence, all those students, they should know about what are the systems we are using here, right? Without rotating, let us go further, right? So this is what is very important for us as far as strata control is concerned. When you see, don't worry for how many tons of capacity here, you see the design of this support. As a mechanical engineer, you should understand, and this was made over a lot of research in even we used to have in NIOSH, USBM, United States Bureau of Mines. For the first time we used to learn, and of course I have seen that long back in 1990s when I was presenting to them our Indian coal mining scenario through Ministry of Mines long back in 90s. So they were having all these testing facilities, even in the design and improvements of the chalk design, so that you should have a better strata control. They have that facility, and of course in our other institutions also we have that simple arrangements. And here, this is your canopy. This can be 3, 4, 4.5 meter length depending on, and this is height which is here 1.4 to 2.7. Otherwise it can be even. This is a mine in Southeastern Coalfields Limited, right? So there can be so many other mines like even in ECL and Singareni Collieries and other mines. Okay. Now this is your canopy, but here it is missing what I showed you, a face sprang also, so that face is here and then our persons are moving here, right? I don't know whether you are able to see this with the figure, right? So when my person is moving here, if this face is having a tendency to spall, that's why there is a face sprang, and in all cases it is not required. Suppose this coal at the face is hard enough, right? Then there is no spalling tendency. That spalling tendency may be because of so many reasons. You may note down, my beloved students, right? It can be even your length of the face when it increases. It is very simple to understand. There will be more spalling tendency near middle of the face. Suppose if the face's length is 300 meters and there can be a spalling tendency in the middle, maybe after 50-60 meters from main gate and 50-60 meters from the tailgate in the central portion. That's why we used to have division of this total while monitoring the behavior, strata behavior as well as support behavior. Especially these chalk shields are the major support system that we used in mechanized longwall, and we spend a lot of money, effort, and international collaborations, even starting from designing. Of course, we are not manufacturing at present in India, but you should note down, my beloved students, when we started working on these, its performance and other things, maybe as a scientist from CMRS or as an engineer working in Singareni College, whatever in 80s, right? So at that time, we means Indians and Chinese, we all imported from US and other places these longwall Doughty props and other Anderson Strathclyde. So many companies are there, right? With starting with only 200, 250 tons capacity, you can imagine, compared to now 1,000 tons. This is almost 1/4 of it. We started with that capacity, 4 legs chalks, and we used to wait for even a small spare part. We used to stop the panel, and that example I can give you n number of examples during my investigations, as like you as a BTech project student under Professor R.D. Singh Saab, who was my teacher and my guide of BTech project and who has written this book, many materials. I am very happy to announce that provided by me when I was a CMRS scientist there. While writing this book in his house, we used to sit together, right? So this is we can give n number of examples, but you people should understand, with all these fundamental or the basic research to applications, now we have to do a lot of things. Our next generation is supposed to do a lot of things. That's what I emphasize, re-advocate, re-emphasize all the time, my beloved students of strata control technology, where we should be attentive enough to understand the problems of the industry, and in future we are supposed to deal with even more number or more critical very difficult geomining conditions and at more depth covers. So long wall is only the option. That's why I am giving more and more time for this long wall mining related issues, and my multidisciplinary groups maybe as a part of your page number 35, 39, 40, whatever of National Education Policy 2020 or Kokadkar's Committee of NITs, IITs or whatever entrepreneurship cell, whatever is made recently by our Ministry of Education, which is a MHRD renamed. All those things we should try to understand, my beloved students. Everything is available on the net, and I used to give to you through the mails, through NITRIS, through your WhatsApp, also groups. Everybody I know have that, and everybody is Arjun for me. And now come up with your efforts and make better utilization of our present knowledge for dealing with the future challenges of this strata control technology. Now, these are the legs, and with hydraulic pressure, we are extending this. And now here itself, I would like to put to you some more important issue here. Now you just imagine, if this is a 1 meter, it can extend. This leg can extend by 1 meter. And what may happen if total leg closure takes place, and if this gets damaged, your shield, everything, and if this is not coming down, this leg is not coming down with the dynamism or the dynamic loading of more intensity at a time, then what will happen? It is very simple to understand. As I told you, that's what happened in the Chercha mines, or it can be in the Kotadi mines of ECL or Chercha mines of Southeastern Coalfield. And these are the things, notorious examples. You should know about it. And A to Z information, including their inquiries, everything international arbitration is there in my oldest bookshelves. Those interested, they can read and get more and more information, so that in future it should not happen. And that's where our Atmanirbhar Bharat Make India, and I want you to be the part of it as a National Education Policy 2020 also on our strata control technology, my beloved students. And here one more very important issue. Now this is called the lemniscate joint, whatever I am showing you as a circle here, just like this, right? And this is designed nicely by very good, intelligent, smart mechanical engineers, so that whenever we lift this, whether it is a two-legged support or four-legged support, then this canopy should stand flat and it should not just lift up like this. Okay, so there are so many ways how this was designed, and that is a lemniscate joint, whatever we call. And these are that support you can see, but there is a face spray. Let me go a little bit more faster. I'm not interested to tell you, but of course, those who are interested, of course, since all these things are available in YouTube and available to everybody as a part of the lectures, they can make use of it, no problem. But I am more interested to tell you for our strata control technology students about the power supports, which is giving a lot of importance. But here also, as a multidisciplinary students, we have like our Nikhil and others, Rohan and Rohit and so many people from mechanical, civil, electrical or electronics, whatever, and other students and faculty and our executive scholars who are even general managers and plant in charges from electronics, electrical and in the NALCO and other mines, and who have extensive experience over 20-30 years. Majority of our executive PhD scholars throughout India with international experience, they also will get a lot of ideas to contribute to our Atmanirbhar Make India, our National Education Policy 2020. Already they have given, and there they also should know. That's why just I am showing all these. And here you see drum diameter 1.6 meters, web depth 60 centimeter. These are important issues as far as that long wall mining is concerned. And more about it is your 800 ton per hour capacity of this, whatever is AFC. In the shear, whatever cutting, it is falling onto this armored flexible or armor face conveyor of different details are available not only here, even if you write in any Google or take out any books. We have so many books, even a book which we have been writing about introduction to mining technology recent this year itself. Like that, there are so many books, including already I told you where our beloved Professor R.D. Singh and Dr. T.N. Singh Saab, with eminent scientists and professors who have done wonderful contributions. You must have had all these books. And Power Pack, of course, this is a part of it to give some high pressure liquid, right? The SS90, there are some liquids, right? Water emulsion oil of 95:5 ratio. This is a pressure requirement as far as this power pack, so that they are supposed to give some with a pressured oil emulsion tank is there, so many things, right? And its motor for 1.1 kV and nominal flow 200 liters per minute. So some ideas for our mechanical engineers here, just I wanted to show you here. And here generally emulsion fluid, whatever is used for giving or operating our chalks, because as I have told you already, when chalk is extended, right? Extended means it is something like this. So this is your leg, chalk leg, and it is getting extended into the one where there is a high pressure hydraulic fluid, that is emulsion. That is this 95% clean and some neutral water with 5% soluble oil. They have different terminology, of course, and that is also approved by our DGMS, and other things are very much required. And here itself I would like to stop at just showing you only our power signaling and other things, of course, are all right, and electricals and other things, right? I just power train, energy train, how it looks like for our multidisciplinary students as a part of National Education Policy 2020. I am showing you here power train, energy train, how it looks like. And ultimately this is a coal cutting onto the AFC and BSL, and then crusher, gate belt, and then trunk belts, and to the surface. This is the way how it goes. And then at the gate roads how it appears. And then of course this is a very typical issue where as a strata control engineer we should discuss more, that I will be discussing later, of this hard roof management, where our induced caving is also very much required. As a strata control engineer we should give lot of preference to this. And now I am going back. Now you can give whether at that time you must have understood I have given you 2 CEP questions today. That is a CEP 1 is your 4 polling. And what was the CEP 2? Anybody can say? CEP 2. I hope you understood as a student of mining engineering number 1 and as a student of strata control technology. We are supposed to be very attentive, otherwise we will be useless. And useless people we don't encourage, right? So CP2 also I asked you. Yes, you can give your answer. And now let us go to our presentations. Now let me take once again your attendance. Now CR, you can continue with the preparations of this, and otherwise we'll keep 0 for the next and then go to the next people. We decide who are the 3 for the next class, and for this class who are supposed to be 3, 0 we will keep and go forward, so that we need not waste time. Now I am taking attendance once again. Now you can unmute CR and others, and you can start your presentations and your assignments also. Is it required to go through attendance sheet again? I hope that is in the beginning, just to give the instruction, and later you are intelligent enough to take it forward and decide yourself voluntarily. I did not ask you again and again about that. Right. Then you will become habituated to taking instruction all the time from the manager, who may be busy in so many other meetings, and you will be working as a strata control engineer at the face Every time you want to have a talk with, there is some problem here, roof fall is taking place, what I should do? We should not be like that. Already some SOPs are there and standard instructions are there, which we already discussed, and we should continue with that. Yes. Now, any doubts? Before that, let me ask you any doubts. If there are no doubts, now CEP answers.
Yes, sir. The CP1.
Preparedness
Hello, sir.
with assignments.
The CP1.
Yes, CEP1.
Sir, see,
Gokul is
by
answering.
Sunil, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answering CEP1. Somebody else can be ready with CEP2
CEP.
also. Continue, please. Gokul.
Yes, sir. The question was about fork polling. So, fork polling is basically a process of installing poles that is either made of wood, steel, or some materials that is suitable to the mine, where the floor is watery, etc., and it's not so strong. Also it may have weak roof. So the purpose of fork polling is to give support before advancing in such cases, such mine workings or tunnels. So fork polling is basically an advancing method used to advance in such conditions where the roofs or floors are weaker.
Okay, anybody else? I think you are able to see. CEP1 is about pore polling and Gokul tried to answer something. Anybody else want to say something more about it? Gokul is a mining engineer by BTech or civil, mechanical.
Mechanical,
Yes,
sir.
mechanical, yes. So that is what is our national education policy 2020. I would like to encourage more and more. That's why I started telling something more about Longwall, including that equipments, so that those who are interested to learn, right? And in national education policy, there is one more point, right? So we also should teach in the local language. I cannot teach in Odia, but in between I can say in Hindi, right? घोड़ा को पानी के पास ले जा सकते हैं, पिला नहीं सकता, right? Those who are interested, they will learn it. Okay, we want those interested people, and those people only will pass the courses. Otherwise, they will remain for one more semester. That's up to you. Now, what is a CEP2? Anybody? Now we will go to our preparedness of these assignments. Assignment. Who is presenting today? Assignments. Already it was decided, and I need not again tell you and take you to that. Assignments already we have taken up. Who is presenting today? If nobody, we keep that 3 first and last zeros, and then we will assign to other people. This is the way how we continue. We will not wait for the people.
Aditya sir from MTech sir.
Aditya is presenting. Last time I think Mohit presented, it seems. Mohit.
Yes sir. Good.
Last time Mohit presented the assignments, it seems. Am I right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
So this was now Aditya is going to present. Okay. So you should not take more than 8 minutes, and your CR. So if first CR is not available because of any problem, second, third, up to the last is the CR. And before Aditya starts presenting it, let me show our whatever was decided, because that will be strictly followed as a part of our online teaching learning process. And this is what was decided as assignment topics and announcement of sub-components of TA marks. Already as a part of this class test 1 and 2, daily your attentiveness, response, and then your answering, summary, summarizing, all those things are already recorded by me in these books of your assignment and other attendance sheet. So from there I am taking those marks for you people. Some people deserved only 0 marks, and then assignments by whatever 15th Monday, February, 25th day of online class are supposed to be submitted, and those who have submitted by that time, right, they will get the marks. Others, based on their date, that will be decreased, right? And then assignment to that PPTs. Now we started from the last before class itself, and all the PPTs submitted to the CR and made available in these assignments also of MS Team and in my mail. Only those will be considered now from the next class. Otherwise, they will lose their chance in that way. So this is what we want to inculcate the habit of our beloved students to become the best part of our Make India Atmanirbhar Bharat in whatever the subjects courses. Now let me take up Srikar. Are you present? He is absent. Let me go one by one. Absent. Srikar is absent. Next. Asutosh. Absent. Next. Manish. Absent. Next. Vishal. Absent. No, because this is today's evaluation of assignments. Evaluation of assignments. That is, today is 22 February 2021. Yes. Chintan Gehlot. Chintan
Yes, sir,
Gehlot
present.
is your
Yes, sir, present.
your Word PDF all submitted or not? Not done.
Yes, sir, I will
Not
submit
done.
today.
No, till now what is done? Then Mohit is absent. Next. Karthik, absent. Next. Jayanta, absent. Next. Vishal Kadam, absent. Next. Swadhin, absent. I think you are seeing the screen also, right? Let me know whether you are able to see the screen or not. Let this absent be
Yes, sir.
Sir,
absent be there. Yes.
sir, I have not submitted. I will submit to Swadhin.
Anish. Anish absent.
Present, sir.
Be attentive.
Sir,
Present, sir.
Swadhin.
Anish
Be
present, sir.
attentive. Anish is absent, present.
Anish present, sir.
Not
Sir, Swadhin
submitted.
present, sir.
Not submitted. 9. Indrajit, absent, present.
Present, sir. Submitted, sir.
He
Present,
is
Indrajit,
submitted.
present.
So he will be presenting tomorrow, next class.
Okay.
Okay, that is on which date? Date. What is the date? Next class is 25. Am I right? Next class 25. February 21. Don't worry, Aditya. Let us complete this task. Neeraj absent.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Then not submitted.
Submitted, sir. Submitted.
Then he will be presenting on 25th. Okay?
Sir. Okay. Sir.
On 25th. Then Robin absent.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
You tell you
Submitted,
you
sir.
submitted or not? Not
Yes, sir.
submitted. Not
Submitted, sir. Submitted.
Then on 25th, you will
Sir,
be presenting
on
on
25th, I will be on train, sir, so I will not be able to present.
Why?
Sir, I will be traveling to Rourkela.
That's right. Then you provide your YouTube link. Provide
Okay, sir.
YouTube. You have done these things. You should organize yourself to CR. He will play that over. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chaman absent. Chakrapani absent. Sambodhi absent. Manavesh absent. Divya absent. Jagadish. Absent.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Jagadish is present. So
Yes, sir.
you have submitted it, not submitted.
Yeah.
Then Manish.
Submitted, sir. Submitted. Submitted, sir. Yes, sir. Submitted.
Then you have sent your PPT and everything to CR.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am present on 25th, sir.
All not presenting. Every information should be there in your MS team and everywhere, right? In assignments and with your CR also, in my email also. Manish, absent. Next, Prabhupad, absent. Mayank, absent. Shubham, absent. Prabhu Prasad,
Present, sir.
absent.
Present. Shubham present. Sir, Shubham
Shubham
present.
present. Then you submitted it, not submitted.
Sir, I
Then
have done
Prabhu
it, but I have
Prasad,
not
absent.
submitted it also. Sir, I have done it, sir.
It was submitted, right?
No, sir, I haven't submitted, but I have done it, sir.
No, that's what, not submitted. Next, Deepthi. There may be so much information in the website, Google, right? I have 5 minutes more. Okay? Aditya also will present next class, don't worry. So let us finish this task. This task should have been done by your CR. CR may not be available, so I am doing that. Next is Deepthi. CR is the next year. Absent. Next. Pandava.
Present.
Absent. Malai. Absent.
Present, sir.
Akshar.
Present.
What is the meaning of present? You have submitted. to the CR already. Not submitted.
Submitted.
Submitted. Right? Then you will be
Yes, sir.
presenting on 26th. You will be presenting on 26th February. Okay? Right. Then Akshat. Continue.
Yes, sir. Submitted, sir.
Submitted, right? So then you will be presenting on 26th. Next, Saurabh. Saurabh, absent. Abhishek, let us finish. Abhishek.
Present, sir.
Absent.
Present, sir.
Absent. Then not submitted.
Present, sir.
Nitesh.
Sir, submitted, sir.
Then
Sir, present, sir. Submitted.
your presentation is on 26. Date over. Okay. Next is Nitesh, absent.
Sir, present, sir.
Present.
Submitted.
No, submitted, but where it is. So you are presenting on what is the next date? 1st March. Right?
Yes, sir.
March. Next. Jagvandu. Let us
Submitted,
finish.
sir. Submitted, sir.
कोविड हो रहा है जी, गर्म पानी पियो, ठीक है? खास रहे हैं आप जगबंधु?
नहीं सर, ऐसे ही
ऐसे ही आता है तो इसका मतलब ठीक से गरम गरम नहीं पी रहे हैं आप, पीना चाहिए, ठीक है? सो 1st March. नेक्स्ट पवन एब्सेंट. निखिल एब्सेंट. नीतीश एब्सेंट.
submitted, sir. Submitted.
Now Nitish submitted. Oh, his will be on 1st March. Over. Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Because even if
Submitted.
you come back to the institute, I don't know whether you people will be participating in the class. You may be sitting in your what is that? Your hostel, and maybe continuing with online class only for some time, it seems, because there may be some isolation. We don't know. During travel, you may be becoming better by health or maybe something. So we should be ready with all online things even further to continue. That is the way how we are preparing all these documents. Kadam.
Yes, sir. Submitted. Submitted, sir.
So these will be when you will be submitting, presenting it.
Sir.
Then we have to take some additional classes then, because 12th March is the last theory. That is the way how we are making it. For others we have to take additional, otherwise we will be keeping 0 for them. Next, when you will be there, I am making it 3, but let us make it 4, no problem. Vanshaj, absent.
Submitted, sir.
Then let him also, when is the next date then?
The 4th, sir.
Then Naresh.
Yes, sir. Submitted, sir.
Right. So he is also 4th March. Okay. So that's why we are deciding all these things. This could have been done by your CR. If not first to the last year, you should have done it.
Sir,
Right.
actually, our CR discussed, sir.
Don't worry. नहीं पुराना जन्म का बात नहीं. Now Rajshekhar. your time is over now.
Yes, sir.
I am taking over, then just follow the instruction now. Rajshekhar absent.
Yes, sir, submitted.
Then
Submitted, sir.
submitted, then 4th March. 4th March is submitted. Piyush.
Already I
Submitted, sir.
Piyush
Submitted, sir.
submitted, and it will be 5th March. Right?
Yes, sir.
Praneeth, continue. We have some more people. We have a long list, my beloved students. Right, continue. Praneeth, absent. Next, Sarthak, absent. Deepthi, absent. Manikanta, absent.
Present, sir. Dipti
Present,
present.
okay.
Dipti present, sir.
Then-
Submitted.
Sir,
Dipti
Manikanta,
submitted, sir.
Manikanta, present.
Submitted. Dipti,
He
sir. Dipti submitted, sir.
Don't go to the back. If you are not attentive, forget. You are there in the disaster
Sir, I
place.
have told.
Don't talk.
Sir, I have
Right?
told.
Continue. We don't encourage lazy people, okay? They will be disastrous in the mines. We don't encourage that. Now, Manikanta, everybody is seeing this, please. They should be ready with answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, what
Sir,
we
my
will do
present.
as a Stata control engineer in the mines? You will take everybody to the disaster, accident. Don't know how to follow the instruction or a standard operating procedure, SOP, COP, code of practice. That you should learn. That is a part of our, whatever you say, National Education Policy 2020 or Atmanirbhar Bharat, whatever the name you give. Now I should finish within 2-3 minutes now, 1 minute only. Right. He submitted it. Then for
Yes, sir.
5th March, 5th March, let us divide and close it. Others, let us put 0 or additional classes, let us plan. Pataru, Sunil, absent.
Presented, sir.
Rohit,
Submitted, sir.
Rohit absent.
Sunil presented, sir.
Submitted, sir.
Gunjan.
Sunil submitted, sir.
Arey, you should tell with the dates.
Submitted 5 March.
It's usual. Rohit, on
5
which
March.
date?
5 March, sir.
March.
5 March,
Then-
sir.
Then later. Gunjan, absent. Gunjan, you should tell with the date.
The 5 March.
इतना लोग 5 मार्च करेगा भाई. Okay. Then Gokul.
8 March, sir.
इसके बाद 8 आता है क्लास.
Yes, sir.
6 को नहीं आता है. Friday नहीं आता है. It is 6th. Is it any holiday? I don't know. We will see that. Nitin absent. Aditya absent. Bukka absent.
Sir, present.
Kunal absent.
Sir, submitted, sir.
Kunal present, sir. Kunal present.
Kunal.
Sir, submitted. Kunal present. Submitted.
Sir, Aditya.
6th March. Let us decide and
6 March.
complete.
Okay, sir.
Amritesh.
Aditya, sir.
Absent.
Sir, Aditya.
March, sir. Samritesh 6 March.
6th March. This is the way how you should tell. Can't you follow that much instruction? And how you will become a Stata control engineer then? Satya, we don't want to send such Stata control mining engineers
7 March,
who will
sir.
be disastrous in the mines. Satya,
7
absent.
7.
Swati, absent.
Sir,
8 March, Swati.
8th March, okay. Like that you should be there, like a military woman. Swati, 8th March. Next, Sayamjit, absent.
Sir.
Avinash, absent. Rohan, absent.
Sir, 8
Adarsh,
March.
absent.
8 March, sir. Absent. 8 March.
Who is 8th March? Adarsh.
Me, sir.
Adarsh is 8th March.
Others,
Continue,
नहीं,
don't
sir.
waste time.
Rohan.
Kamalesh, absent.
Adarsh 8 March.
Adarsh 8th March. That's what I am asking you. Yes, he submitted. It is 8th March. Okay.
Sir, Rohan submitted 8
Next,
March.
Kamalesh absent. Deepak. Continue. Acha. These are our executive PhD scholars. Of course, they have already submitted to me. So that we will take up because they are all very senior people. Even they were working as general managers, coal, metal, IBM, JSW, MCL, CIL, CMPDI, so many throughout India, right? So you will be getting a lot of inputs from them that I received from them. Now, all these people who have given their names here, they should make their YouTube links also and should be made available to everybody in the MS team so that anybody can open from there and I can also open there and with the CR and also in the assignment chapters in MS Team, so that we need not again discuss on this. Now this is closed. All the best, my beloved students, for today, because next class I have to continue. Your beloved juniors are waiting for my class of underground coal mining methods. Now I am taking once again attendance, and then I will close down for today. But definitely I should give, or I should make our vote of thanks for your parents, not you people, right? Now your parents have taken a strong decision, very strong decision to send you people. Otherwise, many parents, they don't send in this COVID-19 period. So dhanyavad to your parents, not you people, right? And then keep the name of your parents and be a part of our Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make India and National Education Policy 2020. And that's what the document we are preparing, and try to send your suggestions. Already I told you, I have sent to you, my beloved students, all you are Arjun for us, right? Utilize the opportunity. All the best once again. Now I am closing. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बाद में क्या बोलना है जी? उसने बोलना?
Stata control.
Very good. Jai Stata Control. Jai Hind.